I'm Robin Bowman, and I work School of Liberal Arts and the Humanities program. I was inspired to work on gravestones last year when I came out and did a cemetery tour with Dr. Lawson. He does a Halloween cemetery tour. And I saw some of these beautiful stones that it was difficult to read them.
Dr. David Dennis, and I am the director of the Humanities program here at Dean, and also Humanities in Action here in the Union Street Cemetery in Franklin, Massachusetts. We have faculty, staff, and students who are being trained to do historical preservation work, cleaning up gravestones.
My name is Jacob Murtaugh. I am a freshman here at Dean, and my major is history. I did it more so as a community service, just cleaning the graves, but it's kind of interesting to get to clean them.
I'm Dr. Liz Faber. I'm Assistant Professor of English and Communication. I work mostly with students in the arts program, but I also teach a variety of literature courses. I'm just looking to be part of the community in Franklin, and this is such a good way to preserve our community and preserve our history.
Hi, my name is Mary Olson, and I am the chairperson of the Franklin Historic Commission. I'm standing here in the Union Street Cemetery. Really amazing project. I'm also a member of the Cemetery Association. We know where everybody is. We know who is there. We just don't have the details as far as what the stones look like, what is written on the stones. So what we'll do after this project is match up the information that is gleaned over these next several weeks and match that up with what we already know as far as who is here in the cemetery. So it's a great community project between the Cemetery Association, the Franklin Historical Commission, and Dean College, and we're just thrilled to be part of it.
My name is Olivia West. I am a history major here at Dean, and this is my junior year. In a historical sense, it doesn't just have to be analyzing documents. It could be, cleaning up a gravesite like we are today, or just deep diving a little bit more into a specific person to learn more about them.